Good morning, afternoon, evening, and good night, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Minecraft, technically. We are working on the mod pack today, ladies and gentlemen. There are several things we gotta do. The very first thing we're doing is we're backing up our stream. So, just to be very clear, you can see last time I played, this is for maintaining the integrity of the hardcore. You can see the last time I played was 4/2/24. It was 18 days ago. Wow, it's been 18 days since I last played Minecraft Ember and Artifice, but we're gonna get there. Anyway, so let's go ahead and head to our test world. Enter saves, and then we want stream 2. Stream 2 parentheses 1. That's this one right here. Date modified 4/2. We're gonna go ahead and literally just do copy and paste, and we will rename this to Stream 2-1-backup. Now, I want to be very clear. This is not a backup in case I die. This is a backup in case mod updating breaks things. We'll see. So, if we close this and reopen it, you should see, yep, there's now 2 of them there. You can see backup right there, and there's our normal one right there. Perfect. Next thing we're going to do is close Minecraft, because the first thing we're going to do is very basic. This is a very basic thing we got to do. Got to go into here, and we got to update all the mods that need updating. Spoiler alert, there's a lot of them. And all we got to do is do this. Yes, I'm aware this could break things, but that's okay. We're installing a little over half of the mods needed to be updated. That's crazy. Actually insane. But, you know, it is what it is. This is how it goes with updating mods. The next thing we want is to reopen the game and see if our stream world broke. This is why I made a backup, because I need to open it and see if it broke. Because it's always possible that it broke. Launch that. Thank you very much. Alright. I'll move this back over here. I'm going to need it eventually. And you know, while we're waiting for this to start up, let's go ahead and turn this up here. And I'm looking for, there's a mod specifically. Default options and default settings. Those are mod FTP chunks requires FTP library. Holy requires Chaos. Holy requires Chaos. Holy. Mod Apoli requires Chaos. Currently, Chaos is not installed. I don't know what Apoli is. Chaos is in here. It's not active. I don't know what mod Apoli is. Hold on. It's exactly why we got to check stuff. Oh, also, real quick, let's do FTP chunk requires FTP library. 2001.1.3 or above, and below currently is this one. Fascinating. We go to content, need FTP library. Library Forge. How auspicious. The version of Forge is not updated. Fascinating. Release date 4 days ago. Oh, wrong. Fascinating. Yippee76, welcome to the stream and welcome to the channel. I don't recognize your name. You chose a terrible stream to join. We're doing Modpack dev right now. Let's see. 2001.2.0. Release date 4/16/24. Interesting. Well, we can very easily just backdate FTB chunks rather than update FTB chunks. Because I believe only teams and chunks are actually updated. Before we do that, let's do a quick Google. I'm going to not put that on my main screen until I know what I'm Googling. FTB library not updated. Library installed, but stating it does not. Looks like the bug I'm looking for. Go to the GitHub. Is there a link from here to the GitHub? I'm curious. It'd be very convenient if there was. Forge. What's the icon for GitHub again? It's this guy right here. Be the Beast GitHub. Let's take a gander, shall we? Okay, let's see. Mods, issues, FTB requests. Go with FTB mod. Just take a quick look. Issues. Quick search. No, we'll take out is open because if they've already solved this, that's fine. FTB Quest version 2001. This looks like it has the same bug but with Quest instead of. Let's see, missing or unsupported. Expected range 2001.4, 2001.2. Actual version 2000. Still experiencing startup errors with even with the FTB suite downgrade to my last working version. I will close this for now until I figure out if it's actually caused by something else. Confirm this is definitely an issue. All our problems notwithstanding. Here's my updated latest log. FTB Quest is not currently compatible with FTB lib and never will be. Or it's not compatible with FTB lib 2001.2 and it will be. There will be a 2001.4. I'm guessing that's the same error we have here. 2001.1.4. And the only version available currently is not that. Fascinating. That's a slight problem. Alright. We can just backdate chunks then. We currently have this one installed. What's this one? Change. Fix server crash related to long-range player tracking. So useful. .6. I'm not sure which version we had. I would install that version instead. It's a good thing I'm not using FTB Quest then. It's interesting that they made it so that the library is not updated. That's very confusing. FTB Quests. Crash on startup. FTB chunks. Hang on, this might be the one. 2001.2.7. What version were we using of chunks just a second ago? Oh, hang on, we can check. 1.3. This is an older version. No, that's a completely separate bug. Fascinating. What a damn shame. Alright. Yeah, I'm not seeing anything useful here. Oh well. It is what we tried. Alright. So we'll not be updating FTP chunks. And this is why I dedicated an entire stream to this, because I also have no idea what the hell apolii is. Poli. Oh, it's origins. Well, that shouldn't be enabled. Alright, it's time we remove origins from this bloody thing. Search. Yeah, that shouldn't be on. Because origins was causing issues in the past. Let's go ahead and actually just straight up remove origins. And Kalis was the only library that required, so let's remove Kalis. We're doing some cleanup work here as well. We're going to go ahead and remove caged mobs as well from this mod pack, because I decided I no longer wanted it in this mod pack. Let's see. The only ones I disabled. Looks like yes is the answer to that question. I think there was another one that might be on by default, but needs to be removed. Yep, right there, the hordes. That needs to be removed. And Druzes stays enabled because I quite like Madruzes. I think that's everybody. Yeah, that's everybody. Alright, everybody else stays the same. Fantastic. Alright, let's go ahead and close this. And relaunch this yet again. Okay. And once we have a stable launching platform, I have a whole slew of things I have to change for today. Let us begin! Begin. Alright. How's everybody doing out there? Everybody doing okay? Hope y'all are. What latency is the fucking stream on? Ah! DB Junction requires it to be Library 2001. That's very confusing and very inconvenient for me. $19.02, you will need to use FTP X mod compat if you want to have Cube J ranks, luck perms, waystones, game stages, integration with FTP chunks. Waystones integration. No, not really. Don't plan on it. I think I have it installed anyway. I don't actually. Huh. Alright. FTP chunks. I wish we could see what the last version... Oh, wait, we actually can see what the last version was. Hang on. Because I have multiple copies of the Ember and Artifice Modpack. Chunks. 2001.2.5. 1.2.5. 0.2.5. Perfect. But would have been the next one anyway. Alright. Perfect. So now if we relaunch this again, it should launch properly. Do it again. Alrighty then. Go up to First Forge, instances, test, just this one's actually in the file structure. And we go to default configs. And we'll just push this off to the side for the moment. Let's see. wanted to open up your guys' GitHub. Have a GitHub. You have a Twitter and a fucking Discord. That's inconvenient. Ah, there's the instructions right there. Go ahead and take a quick snapshot of that. Hang on. Oh, where's... Close that. Unhighlight. There we go. Perfect. Put that off to the side. Minimize that. Perfect. There we go. Amendments is not installed. As of update 2.8.0, some supplementary features and tweaks are dedicated to amendments. Mods are meant to function separately, but if you want to keep the already existing old blocks, you must install amendments. Features moved are the following: wall lanterns, skull candles, ceiling pots, ceiling banners, and skull piles. Let's go take a quick look at this new mod. Alright. See, this is why I knew it was going to be a whole stream to do this. Amendments. What else does it do besides those few things? Let's see. Your functioning improved visuals of many vanilla features without adding new ones. Mod was born as a merge of some of our existing mods. As such, you don't need to install them anymore. These are carpeted stairs, better lily pads, better jukeboxes, some supplementary features. Let's see. Cauldron potion mixing, wall lanterns, and lantern holding animation, skull pile. Lantern holding. Oh yeah, the lantern holding animation. I definitely want to keep. Lecterns holding a book and quill will have a new UI that adds a quill button and an inkwell button. Click on the inkwell to cycle between available font colors. Quill to cycle between available fonts. Can enter with hoppers. Can store any liquid. Can be used to mix potions and dyes. When clicked on, will attempt to craft the item in your hand with the liquid they contain. Let's see. Have improved animations with slash fill or verticals as well as following missing sounds. When holding water or potion can boil if they have a heat source below. Boiling cauldrons inflict boiling damage. Stepping into a splash or lingering potion cauldron will apply that potion. Bottle translucency and ideal occlusion. Lanterns having 3D animation when held in hand. Works both first and third person. Can be hung on walls with a lantern. The hanging will have pendulum physics. Very useful. I like that. Hanging signs, jukeboxes, carpets. Oh, visually show the disc they are playing. Now an improved model. Disc will also spin while it's playing. Works with any disc, mod or not. Carpets can be placed on slab stairs, same goes for moss carpets. Well, I think this honestly wins right there by itself. Cakes works with any cake, placing 2 on top of each other. Vanilla cakes can also be rotated. Lily pads can be block placed on them. This works by making them occupy the block below, turn them into a water-like block. Will revert back when the block is removed. Can be made any lily pad needed. Obstacles will be stacked. Works with any skull in any combination. Can have candles placed on top. Candle will wax overlay on the skull. That's just badass. Broom stands with another potion bottles colored according to what you're holding. Banners and pots can be placed on the ceiling. Tripwire hook can hold tools when you shift click on one. Oh. That's kind of neat. Sure, let's throw this in. I'm on board with this. Proceed without it. Because I don't have any of those things actually installed, I'm pretty sure. Or anything things actually happening. So let's go ahead and see how broken everything is. Remember, we're loading the backup here. Very important, we're loading the backup here. Somebody's at 2 points of armor, even if they're not winning. Make sure nothing broke in our stream world. And then we'll open up my creative test world so that we can work on some stuff. Because that's the next part. It's working on stuff. It's roughly 4 minutes to break an obsidian block by hand. Horrifying. Rain. Hey, there we go. There's a Forge config on it that makes Ember and Artifice models look much better. I recommend you enable it. It's in the Forge client .toml option. Experimental Forge light pipeline enabled. So it's a true to enable. Fascinating. Okay, well, everything looks to be intact. There's a lot of nonsense going on my screen. That's mainly due to the type that we have a very small UI current, or a very small screen. Everything appears to be where it should be. Crash from interacting with anything. Very important test. Oh, looks like we're good there. I say, crash the game. Nope, did not crash the game. Perfect. Alright, didn't crash the game. Crash the game. It's very important that we don't crash anything. My understanding is that there might have been some instability introduced in Man and Artifice in this update. A playtester has told me that if you update Man and Artifice, or even if you do update Man and Artifice, another specific item crashes the game. At least crashes their game. So that's very interesting. Apparently this thing crashes the game right there. So we're going to go into our creative world to test that. Looks like we're all good so far as crashing the game goes. At least on these various things. Let's try and actually interact with these things. I need my tools. Go, and I need my slate, my pattern. Let's just try drawing something stupid. Perfect. Alright. Look at that, didn't break the game. That's perfect. And we can do undo that using play experience. A lot of experience to do that. Good experience going down. Alright. That clearly didn't break the game. Cosmetic armor is looking fine. And dandy. Perfect. Let's see. Chimps claim manager. Everything's still okay. Claim manager still intact. Perfect. Map, which you shouldn't be able to access. Ooh. Ho ho ho! That crashed the game. Event handler. Game crash while mouse click event handler. Java. Let's go ahead and do crasher world, please. I'm a crash log. Let's see. I'm Minecraft and I'm a crashaholic. Yeah, you are. Alright, let's see. No such method error void. That's looking great. Alright. FTB library.icon.icon java.lang.runnable. So it looks like it was an FTB library mod. Fascinating. Well, if the map you're not supposed to be using crashes the game, I guess that's fine with me, I suppose. It's not perfect. People can use the map if they really want to, but you're not supposed to use it. Let's see. Yeah, it looks like specifically clicking on the large map causes the game to crash. Fascinating. Go ahead and relaunch that. Now with amendments. I was gonna say, there's already an update to a mod. Are you serious? I was very surprised for a second there. Alright, well, while that's updating, pull up my stream notes as well on my phone, because I need these. Go. Now, I think one or two of these I fixed while we were out and about. One of these we need to actually look at stuff to see if we can actually make it work. We're going to go config, drop this over here for a moment. Config. Go to, what are we looking for? We're looking for the backpack spot. I need to find out if you can make it so that the backpacks recognize other tools. If I can't find it in a config, I will go and Google the mod, and we'll see what we go from there. And we're looking for which mod? Traveler's Backpacks. The client and the common. Pull these both up. Okay, let's see. It'll be under the common most likely, but client's much shorter. Enables tool cycling. Allows tool cycling while using key binding only. Default Z. Disables scroll wheel. False. Enables tip. How to obtain a backpack if there's no crafting recipe for it. Render tools in tool slots on the backpack while worn. Render backpack if the lights are as present. Do disable backpack rendering. Position the overlay on the screen. Oh, so if you don't like where your backpack's overlay is, by the way, this is how you change it. You go to travelersbackpack./client.toml. You can just change it wherever you want. All right. Let's see. Backpack settings. Tier upgrades. True. Disable crafting. False. Enables wearing backpack directly from the ground. Yep, that's fine. Like that option. It's probably going to be under abilities. Enable backpack abilities. True. Force ability enabled. False. List of backpacks are allowed to have an ability. Do not add to this list because the game will crash. Remove entries if backpacks do not have an ability. Okay, slowness debuff. Too many backpacks in inventory. Too many backpack slowness. Yep. I still want shulker boxes to have a use. Shulker boxes will not inflict the slowness debuff. The backpacks will. If you can just carry around all the backpacks. Let's see. Maximum number of backpacks which can be carried in inventory without slowness effect. Range 1 to 37. I'm gonna go with 2. I allow 2. Slowness per excess backpack. Go with 2.5. That way it gets very heavy very quickly if you carry more backpacks. Because I don't want you carrying multiple backpacks in this mod pack. That kind of imbalances the backpacks. Alright. Let's see here. Enables wearing backpack everything on the ground. Unequipping the backpack when player clips with an empty hand on the ground. Yeah, no, thank you. That would happen a lot. Backpack is immune to any damage source. Lava fire cannot be destroyed, never disappears as a floating item. Enroll in the backpack, true. Yes, because that would suck. Tool slots except swords. List of items that can be put in tool slots. Here we go. That's what I'm looking for. Alright. Single player. Let's open up our test world. Literally staring straight at it where it says test creative. And I'm like, is that the world? Is it the right one? Are we sure if that's the right one? Alright, let's see. We need to add all kinds of stuff. We need to add the wands from Ember and Artifice. We need to add the presumably tools and stuff like that from Embers Rekindled. We haven't gotten Embers Rekindled in the mod pack, but we do need to add it. Let's see. List of items that cannot be put in backpack inventory. Allow shulker boxes false. Yeah, no. Nah. That's what shulker boxes are for. They're for their own separate thing. Alright. Real quick, let's drop ourselves up to creative mode. Oh. That's game mode. Oh. Alright, this takes a second to load, because it always does. We want a backpack. Just any traveler's backpack will do. I think this starts as leather here, yeah? Traveler's backpack, netherite. I don't actually know if it does or not. Nope. Starts as that. That equipped. Oh, we already had one equipped. Okay, let's go into tools and utilities. Is there anything in here that doesn't already go in there? I'm curious. Get rid of all this crap out of my inventory real quick. Oh, yeah. Also, that's one thing I did change, by the way. If you try and get water from a sink now, it doesn't have any effect, right? However, it should give you sickness if you drink this. By drinking. I'll take a look at fixing that. Alright. We do not have a backpack equipped. I cannot access my backpack. That backpack works. That's a different type of backpack. That's the one that's for cosmetic purposes, more than anything else. Backpack. There we go. Now it's equipped. I don't know why that was so difficult. Alright, now we can go in here, go to tools. Let's grab some things and see if they don't fit on there. So anything supplementary should fit there as a real tool. I don't... That's precious. Alright, that's got to be allowed to go on here. Already, I think flint and steel already fits on there. Does the brush fit on there? That's a question I don't know, actually. Altimeter, clock, compass. I'm okay with these not fitting. That's okay. Those... Spyglass, I need to check that one. And the carrot on a stick. Or fungus on a stick. Gotta test those. Goat horn. Yeah, we'll do goat horns. Those should fit on there. Yeah, Minecraft goat horns should fit no matter what. And machetes. So close. If the one machete doesn't fit, then none of them will. Hammer's not fitting there. Slingshot fits. Speed does not. Wrench does not. Oh, lower does not. Brushes do not fit. Brushes definitely should fit. Spyglasses do not fit. Definitely don't want that there. Ferret's on stick. Ferret on stick. Goat horn. Okay. Getting our list already assembled. Let's see. Now we want wands. We want all of the Mana Weaver's wand. Even the improvised wand, because you never know when someone might want it. Ooh, these are all... Yeah. All separate items. So I want them to be able to... I mean, this equips a spell. So, it would essentially give you hot slots for spells. So I want you to have hot slots for spells. Because the spellbook already does that, right? It was essentially... although taking it... I feel like putting these wands in your tool slot would be a real waste of anything. A real waste of space, let me put it that way. Let's go ahead and do over to Ember and Artifice. Mobs have any? Like tools, actually. Chorus Root on stick. I mean, if I'm adding all the other things on sticks, I might as well add that too. Go see pickaxe. See if that fits. Stink Ray. Let's see. From there, I don't think any other lanterns. Siege. This is actually a mod we haven't played with any at all yet. And I'm a little sad we haven't done anything with this yet. It's certainly something. And we'll get to that later. Does the knives sit on our belt? I don't think they do. So this is the Farmer's Life. Farmer's Light Knife, Aquaculture Knife. Just a couple of the knives we can plan. Farmer's Light Knives. Delightful Silver Knife. Ends Delight. Because if none of these fit, Aquaculture Stone Fillet Knives. It's the fillet knives for Aquaculture. Test those as well. Alright. That's a good pile of them. Let's test. Junium Knife, Flint Knife, Stone Fillet Knife, Purple Knife, and Silver Knife. Okay, all the knives fit. That's good. We know the Mana Weaving ones don't fit. Forest Root on stick, not fit. Ghostly Pickaxe. It's pickaxe. It should fit. Yep. Ghostly Ray. Don't know what the Stink Ray does, but we're adding it to the list. What else is there? We've already got all the knives searched through. Let's go to the next mod. Better Archaeology. The other brushes. We definitely gonna want to add these. That's because if one brush doesn't fit, they should all fit. What? Makes sense in my brain. Any brush should fit as long as the brushes fit. So, the totems should not be allowed to fit in there. That's fine with me. Building gadget? I don't remember the building gadget fits in there. You definitely test. Noted. We should let the building gadgets all fit. That makes sense in my mind. Building gadgets should all be able to go in your hotbar, in your toolbar. Water skin should not be allowed there. The thermometer arguably could be. Hang on. Cooking for blockheads doesn't add tools. Horn does not add tools. Crates doesn't add tools. Backpack doesn't add tools. You definitely don't want backpacks fitting in your backpack. Ender chest. We haven't even made any of these yet. Egg Delight. Oh, you do add tools, don't you? Yeah, you do. Alright, we'll check to see if it works. End Delight only adds knives as far as tool goes. Farmer's Delight. Skillet is technically a tool. Let's see if it fits. The knives fit, so I feel like they probably do. But we'll check just to make sure. Best of Delight, gingerbread cookie, Christmas sword. That's excellent. Love it. Rolling pin is a weapon. It probably fits. Framed blocks doesn't have any... Oh, it does actually have a tool. Hammer, wrench, screwdriver. All tools? Real quick, let's check. Oh, rolling pin fits. Excellent. Skillet does not fit. Spatula does not fit. Frame screwdriver doesn't fit. Hammer fits. And wrench doesn't fit. Okay. Framed tools need to go in there. We were up to frame. There's a lot of tools we got to add to this bloody thing. But most importantly, it's important that we now know it's possible to add it. Fruits Light. I don't think Fruits Light adds anything we can add. Or should add, I should say. Yeah, we're going to like Looter. Yeah, no. Centennial Trophy does not need to go in there. Oh yeah, all the caves are their own things. If you don't want spoilers, by the way, for the mod pack, now is the time to look away. You should not be looking at this. We should definitely check the Codex Arcana as well. Biomes of Plenty, I don't think has any tools in it. I don't think Biomes of Plenty has tools. Feels like the kind of thing that Biomes of Plenty shouldn't be adding as tools. Alright, Chipped. Chipped only adds... I know what Chipped adds. Chipped adds only the workbenches and these things. Should we check if torches can fit? I don't think torches should be left there. Handcrafted hammer, definitely should check that. It's a one-off tool, but you never know, you might need it. There's the light. We already checked these machetes. We're good on that. Oh yeah, but Ember and Ember's Rekindled. Let's come back to Ember's Rekindled because there's a lot of fucking tools in Ember's Rekindled. Madruzes. Again, if you don't want spoilers, now's the never way. Check the swords. We'll take an example of the pickaxe and the hoe. Pickaxe probably works. It's a pickaxe. The hoe might not. It's a hoe. Armorial caves. We'll check. Hang on, let's check these. Okay, the hoe works. Cave Compendium does not. Big Hammer does not. Wither Sword does work. Don't worry, we got more that doesn't work than do. Wait these, but I can't bother. Again, we'll come back to Embers. Rekindled there. Memorial Caves. We'll check the Heavy Bone. No, the Heavy Bone is one. The Primitive Club's the one. The Limestone Spear. Extinction Spear. I only vaguely know what some of these things are. I'm not going to lie. When it comes to all these. Oh, they have a fancy little thing over their thing. Nice. I don't think you add any tools. No. Storage stores, you add keys. I'm pretty sure your keys do not fit in that by default. Aquaculture, check your fishing rods. And your fancy bow as well. Pickaxe, shovel, axe, hoe, sword, bow. The hooks do not need to be used. Heads. Adds heads. And Artifice, we're definitely going to want to add the Codex Arcana to this list, because I'm pretty sure the Codex Arcana does not fit. Ooh, the Primitive Club does not fit. Fascinating. Fascinating. These should definitely be allowed on this list, so. Okay, Neptunium Fishing Rod does. Diamond Fishing Rod does. Which means, yep, those should all fit. It probably is looking for specifically, like, bow items that looking for. None of the rest of this should fit. Pretty much just the Codex Arcana. Because all the rest of these are all specific things, and they should not go in your backpack. Let me put it that way. Not in your tool slots, at least. The Codex Arcana, I feel like, is used often enough that I would allow it. Healing Poultice, I feel like that's a bit too overpowered to put that in your thing. Oh, we need to add the Hammer and Chisel, if they are not already added. Do the Dowsing Rod. I'll allow the Dowsing Rod to go in there. Why not? Staff of the Pilgrim. Yeah, I'll allow the Staff of the Pilgrim, actually. That seems like a useful thing to have there. I need to check the relic weapons. Just to see if they work. Excuse me while I add all the relics to my inventory. I think we're good on that. Adamantium Needle. I don't think that's a tool you actually really need to carry around with you. The Allfather's Axe. Alright. The weapons should fit automatically, like default. They apparently do not. Oh, the Allfather's Axe does. Alright, this is a lot. Some of these in here. Dowsing Rod. Staff of Pilgrim. Yeah, that's a sword. It should definitely be allowed to go in your tool slot. Yeah. Does the default trident fit in your backpack slot? The default trident does not. I'm going to allow it to, because the trident is a weapon. And that feels like it should be allowed to, you know? Alright, moving on. We're back to Ember and Artifice, which there were so many of these, I probably should have done them afterwards, like everything else, or like Embers. Hellfire Staff, that's a relic, I'm pretty sure. All the runes. All the charms. Check these items down here. Fine with these. I'm not going to allow golem parts, even though you can use them as a tool if you just hold them in your hand. I'm not going to allow golem parts in there. That feels like a bit much. Okay. One moment, ladies and gentlemen. Although I'm pretty sure maintenance ain't showing up now. It's 8 o'clock. So. Okay. Alright, those dropped off in there. Okay, Ember's rekindled. Let's check all the clockwork tools. Those are very useful. The tear thing. Tinker's Hammer, I'd allow. Ancient Codex, I'm gonna allow. I'm not gonna allow the mantle jars or cartridges. I'm not gonna allow that. Or the armor pieces. That feels like it's a bit much. The default swords should work. In theory. Ooh, Blazing Ray. It's not allowed, apparently. Either is the Cinder Staff. Your thing. Here's Hammer. Codex. Dawnstone Sword. Yeah, all the Dawnstone stuff works just fine. Nah, I'm absolutely going to allow all of this stuff down here. Sure. Alright, that is all of Ember's Rekindled and all of Man and Artifice. Theirs was taken. Yeah, only has the bolt and stuff like that, so that's fine. Toxic Caves. Gotta check the ray gun. The ray gun's the only tool for Toxic Caves? Yeah, it is. Okay. Abyssal Chasm. Sea Staff, that's for sure. I'm vaguely aware of the Sea Staff. I noticed that this is in every single one. I think this, yeah, Alex's Caves Cape. It's the same thing. Forlorn Hollows, we'll check the dagger, we'll check the bow, we'll check the arrows, don't go in there. That's it. Yeah, that's it. Traveler's Backpack itself. I cannot possibly imagine that any of these need to be in there. Vegan Delight, there's no tools here. Vintage, maybe actually. As a vintage tab does have a lot. Vintage tab, mod is called Vintage. No, we're good on that. Okay, good. And Waystones. Last but not least, Waystones. I think I'm going to allow the Warpstone in there. I think I'm going to allow the Warpstone to be in your hot slot. Yeah, I think I'm going to allow that. Inside of your tool slot. Does not fit by default currently. Dreadbow fits just fine. Desolate Dagger fits just fine. Ray Gun does not fit. Sea Staff does not fit. Alright. We have a few to add. Let's start with some of the basic stuff real quick. Let's start with everything vanilla real quick, actually. Speaking of which, are there any tools from vanilla that don't fit? Combat. Let's see. The trident. The shield already fits in there, I'm pretty sure. Digital crossbow fits. Wait, why is that? Oh, okay, that's, yeah. This is added to the correct tab, basically. I think the only one to check is the crossbow. Crossbow fits. Alright. Trident is the only... The brush and the trident are the only things that don't fit in there, which is odd to me. The trident's been around for a while, but the brush kind of makes sense. Alright, so now we gotta go through here and add all these suckers. Which, annoyingly, is not going to allow us to keep this open, because, I don't know it does, actually. Okay. Okay, Minecraft, colon brush. Okay, first one up. Alright, acceptable items. Push your names. Example, Minecraft, colon brush. And then we want comma afterwards, and then we want Minecraft. Yeah, that's right. Tried it. Okay, and then better archaeology. Oh god, I gotta spell the whole thing, don't I? Okay. I feel like I remember there being a thing where I could copy paste MBT or the item IDs. All right, whatever. Better archaeology. I can spell archaeology. Better art. Yeah, I think that's right. Better archaeology. Iron brush and diamond brush. Let's go ahead and just do this real quick. Iron underscore brush or just iron brush? Iron underscore brush. Presumably diamond brush. Yep, diamond brush. Okay. That is these ones gone. Oh, I should probably keep those. When we reload the mod pack, I will test to make sure all these actually go in. Alright. Let's do the books next, because those are important. M&A guidebook. That's easy enough. And Ember's Ancient Codex. I'm dumb. I could have just done this. Alright, let's do... Who's up next? Let's do from the bottom up so we can start organizing this shit properly. Okay. So, here real quick. And then we just do... Alex's... Caves. Copy this real quick, because I know there's more Alex's Cave stuff. Do C snap. This is the exciting, hard-hitting content that you're here for, ladies and gentlemen. Mod pack development. Yeah. Alright, and we want Alex's Caves. Red gun. Hey, Blue, welcome back to the stream. I literally just said this is the great content you're all here for. Blue, welcome back to the stream. How you doing today? Waystones. Warp underscore stone. Perfect. These embers. Tinker hammer. And we want embers. Cinder staff. Perfect. I guess let's do all the Ember and Artifice stuff real quick, because they all have the same prefix. And there's a frack load of them. Right. Let's start with Ember's Blazing Ray real quick. Ember's Blazing Ray. Alright. And, you know, it occurs to me, I was like, oh, I'll do Ember and Artifice stuff because it's real simple to do all theirs. That way I don't have to copy the first part over and over again. It's literally just 4 letters. Anyway. Hellfire Trident. Spelled that wrong. Nope. I don't think this is implemented yet. Based on the fact that the name is Item MNA Demon Lord Sword, and the item name is the exact same. the item ID is the same. I have a distinct feeling those are not the, that's not implemented yet. But you know what? If you manage to get one, I'll add it to the list for you. Demon Lord. Oh, Demon _ Lord _ sword. Alright. Pumpkin Staff. I love that the name of the registry is longer than the name of the item. That's great. Alright. Demon Lord Axe. Runesmith _ chisel. I bet the other one's gonna be Runesmith _ hammer. If I had to take a guess. Yep. Who would have guessed? Runesmith _ hammer. Hit. I freaking automatically put a space anyway. And then a dowsing rod. Pilgrim staff. And Astro Blade, sucker's called. Alright, there we go. And then the last one was the Runic Malice. There we go. Perfect. Alright, now we got all these guys resolved. What? Hang on. It goes in at the top, yeah? Top. Oh, we didn't even get the, all the wands yet. We missed the wands from Ember and Artifice. Okay. Ember's Tinker Hammer. Already got it. Okay. Remember, the key is the last item. Alright. Wrench. Let's start with the rest of the M&A stuff. Improvised _ mana. Weaver wand. Mana Weaver wand advanced. Mana and Mana Weaver wand. Fair enough. I feel like it should be beginner, intermediate, advanced. Just saying. Whatever. What do I know? I'm just a dude on the internet that says things. Alright, let's do framed locks. Framed _ screwdriver. There's a lot of those. Framed. Okay. Where we are. Framed _ wrench. Framed _ key. And trying to look for hammer somehow. Okay. Do the building gadgets. Building gadgets. I don't know why, but that double G just fucked up my brain real bad. Not sure why. Gadgets. Wow, okay, hang on. Building. Gadgets. 2. Wow, that was really bad. Gadget _ Gadget underscore copy underscore paste. Gadget exchange. Damn. You know, I thought this would not take me terribly too long to do, and turns out it's going to take me a while to just do this part. That is these three done. Do supplementaries next. Oh, camera's up next. All right, that's an easy one. Camera, oop. Camera, camera. Very nice. Something we haven't gotten a chance to use yet in our stream world. I'd like to make one of those soon, and get to cataloging, because there's a lot of stuff to look at in this world. All right, we want Minecraft. Oh, hang on, I forgot a comma. That's important. Minecraft. Spyglass. I'm surprised the spyglass isn't allowed by default. That's really surprising to me. Alright. Minecraft. Warped underscore fungus on underscore a underscore dig. And crafted. Oops. Colon. Amber. Alex's mobs. Chorus on stick. Minecraft goat underscore horn. Alright. And not even close to last, Alex's caves. That's not English brain. Cave book. And get all those out of inventory. What did I just do? Last one was... Did work fungus on a stick. Did the spyglass, did the camera, did the key. Wrench. Didn't do thermometer. Thermometer's up next. But I don't make the same mistake again. Alright. Thermometer, I don't know if I'm okay with allowing the thermometer. Because it just goes anywhere in your hotbar. I mean, I guess I could allow it. Yeah, I'll allow it. Alright. I'll be a generous god. Alright. This is the last end. Storage drawers. Shroud. Key. Quantify. Key. Drawer. Helps if I could spell today, apparently. Only one from Cold Sweat. Cold underscore sweat. Thermometer. I don't know why I spelled that wrong. Alright. Alex's Caves. There's a couple of those, yeah? Yeah, there's a couple. Alex's Caves. That, paste this. Limestone underscore spear. Extinction spear. And primitive club. Alright. Next up is Egg Delight. Not one I expected to have to do, but Egg Delight Spatula. Coming on up. The bubble blower. Very serious. It's a very serious, powerful tool right here. Supplementaries. Spelled supplementaries wrong. Bubble blower. Bubble blower. Minecraft carrot on a stick. Carrot on a stick. Did the music playlist end? No. It's just cycling. Alright, let's see. Carrot on a stick. Stinkray. Alex's mobs. Skin. And last, but certainly not least, the skillet. The humble skillet from Farmer's Delight. Farmer's Delight. Hope I spelled delight right. Skillet. And there we go. That is slightly expanded. Just slightly. Oh, the Atlas? We should add the Atlas as well. The Atlas might break things. Because the Atlas is going to end up with a shitload of NBT data. But I do think we should add it. I think, in honor of fairness, I think we should add the Atlas. I love that if you take an Atlas in creative mode, it just gives you 9 math. That's cool. Alright. Where's the end of this? Skillet right here. Alright. Map. Underscore Atlases. One Atlas. Nice. Okay. Those are now allowed to go in your hotbar. I think that's pretty much fucking everything, yeah? I can't think of anything else we've seen that I would want in my hotbar that I couldn't put in hotbar. Or not hotbar. Not hotbar. Backpack slots. Okay, that's everything. Maybe I could see a book and quill. If you want to get real immersive and take notes in character, I'll allow it. Why not? Minecraft. Right over. Actually, hang on. First things first. No, it's not there currently. Alright, let's fix that. Writable book. Spelled correctly? Not my writing. I was checking to see if theirs was spelled correctly. Anyway. Okay. Candle? Nah, you don't need candles in your hotbar. Your backpack slot. Your backpack tool select, I don't think you need candles. Do you put torches in it? I don't know. You know, because you have a holding animation for lanterns, I'm going to add it for lanterns. You can put lanterns in there and you can switch to your lantern and hold it like a big spooky man. Holding your big spooky lantern. Does this work on chip lanterns? I'm curious. Let's see. That one's from Share. Where's one from additional lantern? Oh, it does not work on the chip lantern. That makes me sad. That's sad. It'd be so cool if this worked on chip lanterns. Because look at how cool they are. They're spicy. Interesting. This lantern cannot apparently be placed down on surfaces. Fascinating. Anyway, alright. It does work for the additional lanterns. I'm gonna say it don't. Because, I don't feel like adding every single lantern from additional lanterns. Put that in perspective. Where's the additional lanterns? I don't feel like being here all day. Until I'm 60. Oh my god, look at all that. There's probably a place I can extract all of those names from and just copy paste it, but I generally can't be bothered. You know what? I'll just make it work for the default lantern and the default soul lantern. That's it. Just those two. Presumably. Minecraft lantern, Minecraft soul lantern. Yep, but nope. Alright. Functional blocks is, I presume, the mod that's changing it to be able to hold that. Makes sense in my opinion. Oh, maybe not actually. That seems just fine on that. Alright. I'm supposed to make them fall and drop them, make a fire. Pretty sure they're supposed to fall and make a fire when they drop like that. Anyway. Alright. I already got writable book, yeah. What does the book turn into when it's written? Minecraft written book. And does that fit in it currently? No, it's not. I'll make it fit. I love that I thought I was done, and then I just been like, yeah, there's more. I was like, skillet? Nope. Atlas. Writable book. Lantern. Soul lantern. Writable book. Perfect. Alright, now I think I'm done. I think I am legitimately done now. I'm not going to add anything else to there. He says as he goes to look at redstone parts. Nah, none of these need to be in there. Nah. No, I'm not doing that one. Can't make me. Alright. Wow, we almost managed to fill our entire back with things in theory go with the tool slot. That's crazy. Alright. We could reboot with just that config change, but let's check to make sure there's no other backpack configs we want to change before we do this. Lapis item that can be put in backpack inventory, use registry names, for example. Yeah, hang on. There's a couple actually. Other than the backpacks from Traveler's Backpack, but I need to worry about the other backpacks. What else is there? Now, it should already just allow shulker boxes, but I'm just gonna double check just to make sure. Won't allow ender chests. Having a crap load of different ender chests would be a major pain in the ass. So if someone's willing to carry a bunch of different ender chests on them, I think I'm gonna allow it. That's a major pain in the ass. Storage drawers? There's probably no easy way to block all drawers, though, because look at this. Yeah, they're all separate drawers. And, there's more than that as well. Where are all the Hellbark ones like that? There should be ones from... Oh, right, we gotta actually download a mod. I forgot about the mod we gotta add to the mod pack. Oh, stupid me. Alright, let's finish this up. Let's double check, make sure none of these fit here currently. Oh. They can't fit in here by default. Well, I mean, the shulker box one we figured, but I figured these two would fit. They do not. Perfect. I don't think there's anything else I need to add to that list, so I think we'll get there. Takes capacity for each tier from left. Leather, iron, gold, diamond, netherite, 1,000 equals 1 bucket. Tank capacity increases by 1 per. That's fine. Prevents backpack disappearing in void. Void protection. Places backpack at place where player died. Place death. True. Let's see. Places backpack at place where player died, replacing all blocks that are breakable and do not have inventory. Backpack death place must be true in order to work. No. Enable sleeping bag spawn point. False. Absolutely not. If true, backpack can only be worn by placing it in a Curio's back slot. Remember to take off backpack before enabling your sequence integration. If not, you'll lose backpack. Curio's integration. Nah. That's fine. Leave this false there. Enables backpack spawning in loot chests. Enables chance to spawn zombie skeleton, wither skeleton, piglin, and enderman with random backpack equipped. Spawn entities with backpack equipped. Yeah, I'm fine with that. List of world entity types that can spawn with equipped backpacks. Do not add anything to this list because the game will crash. Possible overworld entity types. List of netherworld. Not adding this list. Doesn't matter then. Possible nether entity types. Defines the spawn chance of entity with backpack. 1 in selected value. Range, greater than 0. Spawn chance, 500. Oh, 1 in... So currently it's 1 in 500. My friend who has a skeleton spawner tells me that I need to increase this number. I'm going to increase this number. There you go. That'll make it nice and rare. You know what? Hang on. Let's go pull up the Terraria wiki. I'm curious. Terraria wiki GG. Yep. Page. What is a very rare item in Terraria? The Rod of Discord. I have never once gotten a Rod of Discord. Let's set it to be equal to the Rod of Discord. Let's see. The Rod of Discord has a drop chance of 0.25. 0.25? Hold on. Isn't that equivalent to like a 1 in 400 chance? How have I never seen one of these bloody things before? The probability of a successful drop is 0.25. The probability of an unsuccessful drop is 2. All 14 shots are unsuccessful. That's excellent. I googled how to calculate drop rate, and it gave me how to calculate the volume of a drop of water, and thus the flow rate of a specific thing. I feel like 0.25% chance is far too easy. I'm gonna make it 1 in 5,000. Cause fuck. Backpack farming should be very hard to do. Backpack and librarian builder trait. That's cool. Common backpack abilities. Yeah, abilities are allowed. That's fine. I love the idea that you can fill your entire inventory with backpacks if a mod creator is so kind. But again, I want shulkers to actually have a use in this freaking mod pack, which is unlimited item storage inside of your inventory. Whereas the backpack only provides 1 space for backpack inventory. If you want to carry multiple backpacks, you know what? Or backpacks? 1. It'll make this increase slower, so that if you find a backpack out in the wild, though, that it doesn't actually incredibly kill you down. Like, slow you down so quickly. Now, let's do 1 and make it, like, slowness 0.5. Because that way, for every single backpack you're carrying, it increases significantly. Alright. There. Also, my friend tells me that the cow backpack is incredibly overpowered as well. Let's take a quick look if we want to disable the cow backpack. Go ahead and off the bag, thank you. Back there. Cleanses all negative effects. That might be a bit too strong for a mod pack like this, whereas we have lots of negative effects. That's just all the time. Potion, like splash potion of withering here. The time on how long before it'll go again? Yeah, okay, that's time on how long it'll go again. Okay. Not that overpowered. Okay, it only works once every 8 minutes. That's not too bad. I don't want to die. Alright, that's not too bad if it only works every 8 minutes. Yeah, I'll leave that enabled. That's fine. Alright. Go. Spawn eggs shouldn't be in your backpack. Alright. From there, I think we're good on this side. I think we've got everything we wanted in this. Let's go ahead and do control. So essentially, I took it from 500 to 5,000. I made it, what, 10 times rarer? Yeah, I made it 10 times rarer. I'm okay with that. Control S. That is saved. There we go. Alright. I have also discovered, by the way, that one of the main problems we have is that waystones can be picked up if they spawn in a village created by better villages. I think it's actually called Towns and Towers is the actual name of the mod. That adds the better villages. Take a look in here, shall we? Okay. Config file makes it possible to switch off any structure from Towns and Towers. Big thanks to Crystal Knight for making this all possible. Disable structure, simply set the value of that structure to false. Use the rarity of a structure category, use the other file in the config. Villages. Exclusive to other world gen mods. WWOO Airlift Pop by Big. Not sure. Sadly, I can't turn off the waystones, can I? I can only turn off the villages themselves. That is a shame. That is actually really a shame that I cannot stop it spawning waystones. And that the waystones it creates are not invulnerable. It doesn't check the waystones config, it just checks the it doesn't check the waystones config at all, it just checks to see if waystones is installed. And it assumes that you'll want them destroyable. That's really annoying. That's actually really, really annoying. I'm not sure how to fix that. I don't think I can fix that. That's a problem. Rather small fossil site. Fossiliferous. That's better archaeology. I'm just checking to see if any of these guys have a I'm compatible with waystones type thing. I'll double check waystones, but I know it's not waystones because I've already done this before. Restrictions. Only creative players can place, edit, or break waystones. This does not disable the crafting recipe. Nope, I want people to be able to build their own waystones. That's very true. Enabled only the owner of waystone, the one who placed it, can rename it. Waystones generated in World Gen are unbreakable. True. But you can still break them. Just fine. Damn. That's really annoying. These ones will be teleported with you, whether don't take least module with you, teleporting between dimensions, least of leash bobs, teleporting. Wither. Yeah, makes sense. Set to allow dimensional warp in general. Nope, that's fine. Yep, these are all fine. Waystone to waystone teleport. True. Set to allow non-creative players to make waystones globally activated for all players. Ah, yeah, that's fine. Hold the player applied to the cooldown when teleporting via global waystone via inventory button or warp stone. Yeah, that's fine. Takes a minute for it to cool back down. Yep, that's fine. Didn't make any changes there. Notes client. Do date format used. Month, day, year. Uses Java simple date format conventions. Date format equals month, hour, minute, Okay. Determines whether the in-game editor of the system's default text editor will be used to default notes. If the system editor is not available, the in-game editor will be used. Determines whether the in-game viewer of the system's viewer will be used to view notes. If the system viewer is not available, the in-game viewer will be used. HUD position of a pinned note. You can pin notes. I didn't even know that. Hey, we learn something new every day. Displays whether displayed notes we work at. Yes. Maximum percentage of the screen's display height that a pin note can take up. Yeah, I'm fine with leaving that as is. Right-click harvest. This should be... Fire hoe. Harvest radius. Allowed values. None, low, normal, high. Hunger level, normal. That's fine. Okay. I think that's everything, yeah? I think that's everything. Can't think of anything else that needs to be changed as far as configs. Let me double check my notes. Make backpack recognize tools. Cranberries should have tagged berries. Cranberries don't have berries tagged? One moment, I can look into this. Who adds cranberries? What mod are you from? Fruits Delight. It does have berries. Orange berries. Did I already fix this? Bee growables. This one doesn't have berry tag. Fascinating. Item tags. Forged fruit, diet fruit, forged berries. Hello, Enderman. Forged berries. Forged berries. I already fixed this? I might have already fixed this one. Cantaloupe should give water. Cantaloupe does not give water. Oh. I can fix that. Alright, let's go to... I think it's Thirst was taken. Somewhere down here. Nope, it's up here. Alright, item settings. Let's open keyword settings. I think that might be... also... Okay. Oh, that also needs... I need to look into sync real quick while we're here. Drinking mechanics. Stack size for water bottles. Feathered thirst depletion modifier. Yes. How much faster is hydration depletion when players with fire resistance? How much faster is hydration depletion? Not to depletion. 100 means depletion like normal. Give it a slow. Let's slow it down instead of completely stopping dehydration. It's slower than normal. Alright. The player can't regenerate as fast when hydration is full. Yes, yes. Players can shift right-clicking water with their hand. Yes. But give diseases. Because fuck you. Purity-related effects. Purity for drinks that normally would have purity, but for whatever reason don't have a value set. Purity for drinks that normally have purity, but for whatever reason don't have a value set. That's the thing that I changed that should be making it so that water makes you sick. Percent chance drinking water from a sink. Sorry. How many variables are added after boiling in a kettle? Will we just make this 0? Maybe that'll help? I'm not sure. Because it's adding purification levels. How many levels of purification are added after boiling in a kettle? 2. And somewhere in here is, yeah, filter from create. There's no fermenting in this world. And yeah, water has 1 more level of purification by default, i.e. mountains. 2 aquatic biomes. Yeah, that's fine. How many levels of purification does running water have compared to still water? 1. Yeah, seems fine to me. Alright. So this line right here is the thing that should be affecting buckets. Alright, we're going to go on this one. Let's go ahead and save. Keywords. Let's see. Evil hydration for drinks was selected keyword 0 to 20. This items to be ignored if set by mistake from other words. Dried candy, leaf, gummy, crate, jam, sauce, bucket, seed, cookie, pie, bush, sapling, bean, curry, cake, candy. Those are all fine. Cantaloupe slice. Apparently cantaloupe just doesn't exist. Do drink juice, smoothie, soup, stew, porridge, fruit, berry, berries, grape, orange, peach, pear, coconut, lime, lemon, melon, cherry, and apple. I don't know if I want to make it so that all cantaloupe items give it, or just the cantaloupe slice. Then we're going to go with just the cantaloupe slice. Let's see. Defines items that will cover thirst when drink. Defines items that will recover thirst when eaten. And this is the... Yeah, it's in brackets, right? Yeah. Item ID, hydration amount, quenching amount. That's fine. Go in here, and we'll do this manually. Let's just inject it right in the middle so I know for a fact I'm not messing up this, because it looks like there's 2 brackets at the end. That's fine. Just comma and then 2 brackets. Alright, we want... Delightful. Cantaloupe. Underscore slice. And... Let's see, this should do as much as any other fruit. Let's do watermelon. Watermelon. Right, it's called melon. I almost said Rimworld. 2 and 2.5. Oh no, it's 3. It's not 3. It's not 2.5. It's an odd number, right? Dusk melon should also be doing that. Actually, now I look at it. Slice. Nope. Melon. Melon popsicle gives you crap load of thirst. Interesting. Probably should do the popsicle, the cantaloupe thing as well. Alright, we'll do slices first, then we'll do, the other one rest. Dusk melons give a lot more food than water, or a lot more food than melon slices. I'm tempted to make them stronger water sources as well. Also rewards you for exploring and growing this weird-ass melon. Anyway, alright, let's go ahead and do that real quick. Minecraft apple. Replace that with, first of all, a comma and a space. And then do regions, unexplored, dusk melon, underscore slice. Alright, that's fine with me. I think that's fine as far as the rest of these slices go, yeah? Melon pops. Alright, I just searched melon. Are there any other slices that technically should be fine? No. Search. Let's do popsicle. Are there any popsicles that currently don't give thirst? Cantaloupe popsicle. Oh, also we need to do this real quick. Let's straight up double what the melon does. Because I feel like that makes a lot of sense. Because the other melon, or the dusk melon, is, I think, 3 times stronger than a normal melon. In terms of stats. Because it gives 2.5. This gives 1. Yeah, so it's 1.5 times. Also, actually, not quite. This only gives half a saturation, but this thing gives 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.5 saturation. Good God. I think I'm okay with 4 and 6. I think I'm okay with just straight up doubling a melon's amount of water. The dust melon. I'm okay with that. I feel like dust melon should also give you thirst. Because it gives you hunger. Like, it hydrates you, but it also dehydrates. I don't know. That feels janky. But, whatever. I'll allow it. As is. Alright, now we're going for popsicles. Cantaloupe popsicle. Comma, space. cantaloupe underscore pops. Perfect. And we want to give it 1 and... Why are y'all so strong? Oh, that's chorus. Apparently popsicles are very strong. And then I think as strong as melon. So it's what, 4? 4 and... No, that's not 4. That's 2, 4, 6, 7. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. That is very strong. Those are very good at hydration, apparently. Good lord. Noted. I might want to invest in some popsicles in the future. What if the course for popsicle causes you to teleport? I'm genuinely curious about that. Anyway. Alright. You know when you look at a word for so long that word starts to not make any sense anymore? The word cantaloupe no longer makes sense in my brain. Anyway. Okay. And do control save. I think that's all I was missing as far as food item goes. Oop, wrong button. Ignore that. Let's see. Cantaloupe should give water. Shrimp fried rice does not have a recipe. That's because there's no shrimp in the game. That's a problem. I guess it should use lobster? Shrimp fried rice. This is fried rice. This is from Alex's Mobs. Ooh. Alex's Mobs. Item group, pineapple. Bowl of pineapple fried rice. Pineapple fried rice. Okay. So fried rice. Fried rice. Bowl of pineapple fried rice. Fried rice. Fried rice is rice, egg, carrot, onion. Bowl of pineapple fried rice is not a recipe. Oh, because you have to actually use the... You make pineapple fried rice, and then you get a bowl of it. There's light. And you make this, and then you get a bowl. So which one are you closer to? You do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ham shanks. You are weaker than both of these things, my friend. But I guess you're closest to... Is that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So what should the items for shrimp fried rice be? Well, in real life, it would be egg. Combat? Why is egg under combat? Whatever. Egg. Rice. But we're gonna match the rest. It would also be oil, and then I think the closest thing we have to shrimp in this is probably lobster. Ah, yes, lobster. Well, these are actually from Alex's Mob, so that's perfect. We use cooked lobster. The rest of these require cooked ingredients. Do you not like chicken fried rice? Really? Not a single one of these mods is thought to add chicken fried rice. I'm a little offended. Like chicken fried rice, beef fried rice. You can do lamb fried rice. Why not? Like, all of these things are delicious. Just straight up egg fried rice. I'm very disappointed. Also, sorry, I thought for a second fried egg had as much that I had that much strength. I was like, what on earth? Fried egg should not have that much power. Anyway. So based on these recipes. Oh, interesting. This one takes 3 rice. This one only takes 1 rice, carrot, and onion. I mean, shrimp fried rice, you definitely still would want carrots and onion in it. But then it's weaker than normal fried rice. I guess I could modify the fried rice item to give more food. That's doable. I'm not sure how to do that, though, is the problem. I know it is doable, I'm just not sure how to do it. Let's go and make a quick save there. Get these saved and closed, please. Thank you very much. Does it be under, what, Alex's mobs? Banana slug, bison slug. There's a lot here. Okay. Good question. Mantis shrimp. What do you give if I kill you? Nothing. Oh my god, they can have babies. I don't think these things have an AI yet. Yeah, I don't think these creatures are implemented yet. I think these ones are blank, which means I probably should just leave it alone. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it alone for the moment. I'll add that to my notes real quick. Shrimp does not exist yet. Shrimp no exist. Alright. Anything else I need to do? Those are the major fixes. Let's do a test. Actually, we can just reload the configs, can't we? I think it's... I don't know if Craft Tweaker will reload all the configs. Find out. It does not reload all the configs. Quit. Save and quit. Launch another instance of it. You know, this is very reminiscent of the Lost Minecraft stream, where I was doing a bunch of work on the configs and Craft Tweaker files and things like that, and it was just gone. It disappeared. Yay. Anyway. Alright. Well, that's fascinating. Traveler's backpack failed. Hold on. That's what I want. Failed loading config file. Traveler's backpack common.oml for mod ID Traveler's backpack. Invalid value Minecraft Rush. Those are the comments. Oh. Alright. Caused by parsing exception, invalid value Minecraft Rush. What was it expecting in Minecraft Rush? What did I do? Rush was the very first one. Use registry names. Is that all I need to do? You just want space there? I'm not sure. I honestly don't know. try starting it like that. And we'll go from there. I mean, it crashed pretty damn quickly the first time, so we'll see. I think we'll know pretty damn quick if it crashes again immediately. Did anyone keep track of how long it actually took for it to crash the first time? I didn't. I don't think it took this long for it to crash last time. No, it's doing Ember and Artifice stuff, and it just crashed again. Traveler's back again. Caused by invalid value Minecraft brush. I don't know why that's invalid. I don't know. It's a tool. It has durability. Let's... I didn't spell Minecraft wrong, did I? M-I-N-E-C-R-A-F-T. Just gonna try that real quick, and we're gonna see what happens. I mean, I know it's a long list, but it shouldn't be that bad. Okay. While that's starting up, actually, let's do a quick Google. Traveler's backpack. First word. Straight to your GitHub, please. And crashed again. Caused it Minecraft Apple. So I can't add acceptable items? Let me go ahead and remove this completely. Don't worry, I'm saving it to another document. Give me a moment. That's very concerning that that doesn't work. Seems to be working just fine. Got the GitHub open on the other page at the moment. Nope, that worked just fine. Face rework, interrupting backpack, other chest disappeared. Console close mode. Let's see. Problem solved. Wow, useful. Backpack disappears after player dies a couple of times. Adding item tags to tool slots. Oh, it's a feature request. You can add items via data pack instead of config file, and data packs accept tags, so I can still do what I want here. Yes, use data packs. You know, I've never actually managed to figure out how data packs work. Yet to figure that one out myself. It is easy to configure all relevant modded items for the tool slots, especially when there are many similar tools. Describe the following situation you would like. In addition to accepting item resource locations, tool slots acceptable items should accept item resource locations. Should accept item tags such as tiny rods or Farmer's Delight straw harvesters. Allowing lobbing tiny rod or even regexes for item names would also solve E31 by adding that. Okay. Seems inelegant based on how Minecraft resource locations usually work. Currently, when I try to add an item tab, there's a crash on startup, not world startup though. This seems not ideal, even if the feature isn't implemented. Try to add an item tab. Not just tabs, but it's, yeah. So I'd use a data pack to use that. I still have no idea how data packs fucking work. I'm not gonna figure that one out tonight. Alright, noted. I clearly am getting tired because I'm misspelling even more words now. Alright. Yay. Alright. So that's unfortunate. But it is what it is. Come on. Come on. Come on. Spin around. There we go. Alright. Now we need to save the default options. Options.txt. There's a depth directory in your modpack. Alright, so now we should save the default options and update the modpack on the server for everybody to use, if you so choose. You do not have to update, but I would recommend it. I managed to do it without breaking the worlds, so at least you get to keep your world. Oh, also, there was one more thing I need to test. This thing I might as well actually go into a full size. Zombies just like these stems. Excellent. Alright, apparently. This crashes the game. Holding it doesn't crash the game. But I was told that placing it crashes the game and corrupts your world. I have no idea what I'm looking at, but it seems to be working just fine. Let me get an enchanted item real quick. Is there a creative mode way to enchant stuff? I feel like there is. I feel like there's a creative mode way to enchant stuff, but I can't remember if I can do this. Not requesting Ultra Power, not requesting Ultra Power. I feel like I probably should be requesting Ultra Power. Well, it seems to be working and not crashing the entire game. I seem to be able to grab it just fine. Let's see if I can do so in survival. What tools? That's interesting. It breaks that easily? I don't think the Ember and Artifice tools break that easily, okay? Is this thing not fully implemented yet? No, it's got a recipe. It's table, time right gem, glass pane, 4 fences, 4 silver, a shitload of symbols, requires tier 3. Not sure. Let me see if my friend is online right now. When it's powered, I still crash, picked up, haven't crashed since. Doesn't look like my friend is online. Just give more. More information. Just change it from Ember and Artifice crashing. Did mod crashing. Picked up, haven't crashed since. Okay, definitely breaks the game. Even when it's powered, I still crash. Even when it's powered, I don't know how to power the thing. Presumably, this is ultimately. I don't know which one of these. I don't actually know how these work. That's a problem. Someone's watching this? No. Say it ain't so. Alright, real quick, let's go ahead and do options. FOV 90, yes. Actually, before we do that, go back to this and go to, especially if it's crashing the game, we want to go to where's it under? It's under config? Oh, I think it's under config. It might be under config. F. Forge client. No, it's not in here. Very bottom? Nope. Let's see. It's default saves. This is the correct one. This is the one we're working on today. And do HB chunks. CPT file. Okay. That's not important right now. For server config. HB chunks. Force modes won't let players change their ally settings. Give you the dimension IDs, disable all land protection. Override to disable, enable fake players like Myers and globally. That's fine. Minimap for clients connected to this server will be disabled. Force disabled minimap. True. Location visibility team settings are ignored. Time. I really wish HB chunk explosion prediction is applied in protected chunks only. PvP combat be allowed in chunks. If true, the player must have the HB chunks map in game stage to be able to use the map and minimap. Whereas Cube.js and or game stages to be installed. Cube.js and or game stages to be installed. Cube.js and or game stages. You can get one of those. And game. Just make sure I don't have either of them already. Alright, not. Edit recipes. Add new custom items. Script world events. All in JavaScript. Yay. Then I just need this on. I think it's basically just a requirement, yeah? Use/reload. Everything is reloadable. Some things require you to restart the game, some only world, some work on fly. And or game stages. Well, game stages is an update apparently, so cube it is. Save it out real quick. Because we also, actually, let's test real quick. One more time, real quick. Does opening the big map still crash the game? Just gonna test. Had the rune and an item in it. It was not being powered with enough Eldrin power. That's all I can remember. Had the rune and an item in it. Alright. I don't actually know how the mana changer works from Ember and Artifice. That's a slight problem. My friend is ahead of me in my own mod pack. Let's see. Oh, yeah, big map. Okay, big map was open. Zooming out doesn't crash the game. Zooming in doesn't crash the game. Scrolling doesn't crash the game. What about just click? Right click. Oh! Right-clicking crashes the game. Fascinating. Right-clicking crashes it. I wonder why. Why does right-clicking crash the game? I guess I'll try and figure that one out later. Let's actually not install this. Let's go back on that. It doesn't need to be turned off. If the crashing part is because of right click, I don't know how to fix that. I don't know how to change it. Either way, let's go ahead and launch the server or launch the game, and I will update the default options and then export Modpack to the Discord, and that'll be where we end tonight. Leaving it with a functioning Modpack for y'all to play. I will try and figure out data packs. I just don't know how data packs work. I really don't. I really don't know how they work at all. It'd be learning an entirely new thing, and I have 2 minutes. I do not have the patience to try and learn something in 2 minutes. We got through a lot of Star Wars today, though. That was fun. This is very, very fun. This is painful. 136 mods loaded. Oh, I completely forgot. There's something super important I need to add, which I gotta close the mod for. Add more content. Wood. Every compat. Wood good. This allows all of the woods from regions unexplored and Bounds of Plenty to work with drawers and boats and all the other things that they don't work with by default. Yeah, cabinets, quark stuff. We're not running quark now. Decorator block? I don't think we have decorator block. Storage drawers, that's the main one. Macaw's mods, which we don't have any Macaw's mods, interestingly enough. There's the big one right here, is shipped. Right there. I asked in the Discord on, I think during last stream, didn't I? I might have, and sure enough I got an answer, and boom, this is the mod we need. And here we go. That is added. Perfect. While we have it open, I might as well check real quick. Go to instances, test, config. What is it called? Every compat. Embers, Edium. Is it all of it? Oh, I need to run it once. Yeah, every compat. Wood good. Wood good. Launch it. We'll take the config file to see if there's anything that needs to be changed. We'll reload the game again, and we'll be good to go. It should have generated the conflict by now. Let's see if it's under E. It is not under E. It's under wood good. Does it even have a config? I hope it's a config. I know some people are like obviously moving more towards like using gate. Oh, it just changed. I guess it just got created. Embers. Every go. Common. Hazardous? It's hazardous. Hard disable entire modules. Oh, nope, I'm good. Thank you. Alright. Let's see. Puts all the added items into a new every compat tab instead of their own mod tabs. We warned that if disabled, it could cause some issues with some mods and if that's the tab. Nope, that's fine. You stay on your own thing. Makes dynamic assets that are generated depending on loaded resource packs. Turn off to make them just use vanilla assets. Here's a debug folder in your instance directory where all dynamically generated resources will be saved. Sends a packet to verify all dependency mod versions are on the same connection. Disable causes issues. Mod version check back at true. Don't touch unless you are told to. Go back at false. As is. Enable tooltip showing which mod an EC item is from. Yes, I presume that would be useful. Disable certain types. Biomes of plenty. But why? Disable true. Leaves. Type leaves. Alex's caves. Oh, Alex's caves is in here too. Nice. Very nice. Wood type. Human and thorn. Why are we disabling trees? Why are we disabling them? Unless it's inverted? Disable certain types. General's type. Maybe this is them being true. Like true means they are on rather than disabled. Rather than disable certain types. Like this is inverted? I'm not sure. Because it feels weird to disable basically every mod in the freaking mod. Or every wood in the mod, right? Easy way to test. We load it up and we test one of these woods. Single player, test world. Because there's all the chip codes right there. Disable specific entries. Oh god, that'd be annoying as hell. Are there any that are set to false by default? Let's check. Control F, false. Nope, that's it. Just those three things at the top. Okay, so these are all on. So I should be able to go to this. And there should be every wood compact somewhere in here. Probably. I imagine it would look like wood. Like wood block. Probably that one. It's changing rapidly down here. Backpack shelf. Oh, it's incredible backpack. That's cool. Looks like we got all that inventory. Think of that. Oh, suspicious. Reinforced thornwood. Fir. We got redwoods. Excellent. Mahogany planks. Spicy. Mahogany barrels. Ooh. Chip, yeah? Yeah, chip. Nice. Black. Oh, see, now that's nice. Look at that color. That's a gorgeous color right there. Beehive. See, this is exactly what I wanted right here. Green bioshroom drawers. Perfect. Look at that. Drawers of drawers. Perfect. Perfect. I don't think there's anything here I really want to test beyond that. I think we got all of them. I think they're all here. They're all here. Yeah, we got like overgrown rotten door. That's quite a combination of words. That is a quite nice looking door, considering it's called an overgrown, rotten door. Alright, that looks like we got everybody. Everybody's in the pool. Oh look, we have slowness on this. Pick up the backpack. All the way to the backpack. Does the... Okay, so that's what I thought it might do, where you can have one backpack here and one backpack here. That's okay, but if you pick up another backpack, yeah, that gives you slowness. Perfect. That's exactly what I wanted it to do. I'm glad it worked that way. Alright. Also, I completely forgot to test that. But I sadly can't put these things in here. I'll have to figure that out data pack-wise. But at least I have the list now. I have the full list. Okay. I think... Oh, that's why I didn't see it, because it's like trapdoors and stuff occasionally. Torches, really. Wow. That's, a lot of torches. Carpenter's workbench. Oh. Fascinating. Well, that's definitely going to give us a lot more to work with. Slightly different torch. Boy, that's, yeah, that's a lot of options that just opened up. Alright. And it looks like it's all working. We type in chest. All good there. Cool. Everybody's all home and fancy and swanky. There are no chests, because that doesn't have, we don't have pork involved. Fence. Oh, it's the cast iron fence. Yep. It's amazing how few fences there actually are. Look at this. It's like, technically, it's still a lot of fences. Okay, doing that. Yeah, looks like we're good across the board. Excellent. Just like check. Mangrove. Oh yeah. What about hewing? Actually, I just know something. So mangrove is vanilla wood, right? Yeah. Yeah, vanilla wood. Handcrafted is not compatible with every wood. Every wood compat is not compatible with handcrafted. If we go to handcrafted, we can see there's all of the vanilla ones. Yeah, all the vanilla ones. There's none of the modded ones. That is sad. I'll have to look into that. I'll add that to my notes. You know what? I'll do that right now. Yeah, crafted, not compatible with wood. Alternatives. There we go. Okay. Do that now, and let's go ahead and update the options. So first things first, we need to go to sound, turn music back up to 90%. Anything turned off currently? No, nothing is turned off. That's perfect. Okay. Let's go to FOV should be normal, difficulty stays the same. Pattern generating. I think that's it. I don't think I have any other things to change. The options, keybinds, and server list. Oh, keybinds. I think keybinds are fine. I don't think there's any keybinds are changed. Yeah. No conflicts. I think we are aware of all the conflicts. Yeah. All horror. I think we're good on this. Alright. Or stats, yeah, should be. That doesn't work anyway. Yeah, I think we're good. Even though I don't think we've run into anything else. It's a real problem yet. Alright. Alright, we need to do join world, run, default options. Save. Save current options, default options folder. Load in the config folder where it should remain. Do not include the options.txt and servers.dat. There we go. Yeah, I think that's it. What was the other default mod we have? We have default settings. Yeah. Do you actually need this mod? Does it do more or less the same thing? I think it does more or less the same thing. Okay. I think I was supposed to only use one of these, but I just forgot to uninstall the other one. Either way, this works just fine. Alright. Go ahead and close this. Actually, close this. You don't need Minecraft open anymore. Nothing else I have left to test in Minecraft. There we go. Close this. That. Maximize this. Okay. And we're going to do a bit of export challenge. Artifice. Going to export profile. Let's see. Do not include options and servers.dat. You want to include default configs because that is the FTP chunks configs. We do want to export those. ESM, no, we do not want to export ESM. Local, logs, map atlases, we definitely do not want that. Notes. I'll give everybody my global notes. I think that makes sense. Just global ones, though. Not local. Ooh. Specifically, those might not be a bad idea to take with you. Yeah, I think these ones would be good to have for everybody. Just these three. Just these three right here. Because that way you guys can see the different food buffs without having to go look it up yourself. I think that makes a lot of sense. Shader packs, yep, absolutely. Saves. No, you don't need saves. All right. Do not include options or servers. Package version. This is 0.2. Profile name, Ember and Artifice. There we go. Actually, hang on. We're not really... Well, no, we're feature complete, I think, at this point. It's just a matter of testing. All right. We'll call it beta. We're fine with beta. I was going to call it alpha. Next. And let's go ahead and do Ember and Artifice there. Writing export file. Perfect. And just like that, I cannot open the Discord on screen. Assured, I am doing it right now. I'm updating installation instructions with the newest version of Ember and Artifice. Cancel. Can I change which download file? No, I cannot. That's a damn shame. Delete. And upload file. Desktop. Ember and Artifice 0.2. It's in the installation instructions Discord. So, if you somehow watched this whole thing and you didn't or weren't already a member of my Discord, you can now join my Discord in the link down below in the description and get access to my Discord. And under Ember and Artifice, under installation instructions, you can now install the beta update. Ladies and gentlemen, it has been a pleasure updating this mod pack with you today. I still have some work to do, obviously, but I'll have to learn that shit off camera, basically. Until next time, ladies and gentlemen, I have been Videos. Have a pleasant morning, afternoon, evening, and good night. Hope you enjoyed my staring at my desktop there.